Pakistan Air Force has maintained its tradition of professional excellence throughout its history. Today, Pakistan Air Force has very lethal firepower and has the capability to strike deep into the enemy territory. Pakistan Air Force carries out training camps that give its pilots the experience of dropping actual bombs and fire air-to-air missiles. This film is about one such live firing camp. Before the mission commences, the pilots attend detailed briefing session. Briefing is carried out to discuss all mission requirements, actions to be taken in case of any contingency, and to remove all doubts about the mission. Meanwhile, the aircraft are being prepared according to the mission requirements. A well-trained maintenance crew under the supervision of the squadron engineering officer loads the weapons on the aircraft. Here, Chinese A-5 aircraft are being prepared for the mission. AIM-9P missile is being loaded on the aircraft. The A-5 aircraft has two 23mm guns with a firing rate of 1900 rounds per minute, and it has a capacity to carry 250 rounds, which are being loaded in the aircraft belly. The Mirage fighter bomber aircraft is of French origin. A variety of mission-specific armament can be loaded on the aircraft. Mirage also has the capability to carry 2 cluster bombs under its belly. When the maintenance crew have loaded and serviced the aircraft, the pilots get ready for the mission. They don G-suits to reduce the effects of high G-loads during maneuvers in the air. The pilots approach their respective aircraft for the mission, where the ground maintenance crew help them to get strapped up inside the cockpit. The pilot puts on his helmet and plugs in the oxygen and communication system connections, which he will require during the mission. The pilots of A-5, F-7, Mirage and F-16 aircraft have started the aircraft for the mission. The aircraft are taxiing out and approaching the runway. The A-5 formation has commenced the takeoff roll and is getting airborne. 2 ship F-7 aircraft are the next group to leave the ground. The Delta Wing Mirage aircraft engages its afterburner for the takeoff. F-16 aircraft, the most potent modern-day aircraft in PAF inventory, is the last one to get airborne. Before the Firepower Demonstration 2001, 2 F-6 aircraft passed the stand carrying the national and PAF flag. This is followed by a mixed formation of 1 aircraft of each type of the PAF frontline fighters. Here you are watching the aircrafts led by F-16 in the center. On the left is F-6 and A-5 aircraft, and on the right side are the Delta Wing F-7 and Mirage aircraft. The formation after 2 flypast will now disperse after a bomb burst maneuver in which the aircraft will break the formation to fly off independently in different directions. The F-16 has pulled up and dispensed a flare carton. Senior officials of the civil and defense forces witnessed the show of superb flying and demonstration of the magnificent firing power of the PAF fighter aircrafts. The first demonstration is of ground-to-air firing for the cartridge, which is to be used for shoulder-mounted Hansa missile that is made in Pakistan. In air-to-air missile firing, F-16 Fighting Falcon will fire air-to-air AIM-9L missile. Now you see the all-weather Mirage aircraft firing Sidewinder missile at the target. Indigenously modified A-5 aircraft is now capable of firing air-to-air missile. The second Mirage aircraft is firing the Matra missile. Here, F-7P is seen in action. As it is firing at an aerial target in air-to-air missile attack, the action is a success. The second A-5 aircraft also scores a direct hit. Next is the F-6 aircraft firing an AIM-9P missile. And finally, FT-5 trainer aircraft modified for air-to-air configuration. After air-to-air firing, live delivery from air to ground was carried out.